Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for your half-yearly exam. First, let's create a solid one-month study plan. Begin by outlining all your subjects and topics. Then, prioritize them, focusing more on challenging areas or those with higher marks. Allocate specific, consistent time slots each day for every subject, ensuring a balanced approach to your preparation. Next, let's discuss effective learning techniques. Instead of just reading, actively test yourself on what you've learned. This significantly boosts memory. Practice solving a variety of questions and sample papers to understand exam patterns. Also, create concise flashcards or mind maps for key concepts, making quick revisions much more efficient and engaging. Now, let's tailor our approach to specific subjects. For mathematics and science, consistent problem solving is key. Dedicate more time here. In language subjects, focus on grammar rules and essay writing practice. For social science, understanding the underlying concepts rather than rote memorization will help you answer questions more effectively and comprehensively. Finally, remember that your well-being is crucial for optimal performance. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep every night to consolidate learning. Take short, refreshing breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to avoid burnout. Also, nourish your body with healthy meals and drink plenty of water throughout your study period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.